Hello, I'm Robin from Boatshed Canals. Today I'm pleased to present you this Dutch barge Luxemotor style measuring 22 meters in length. Let's begin this outside visit. The side windows you see on the front part are double glazed as well as the wooden deck hatches. At the bow we have a manual windlass and a air conditioning units that provides cooling for the owner's cabin at the front of the boat. The staircase with handrails make it really convenient to access to the outdoor terrace, which was not installed during my visit. On this part of the deck there is ample space to create a beautiful exterior area, and it's also for easy installation of privacy screens. There is also a hatch that provides access to a technical compartment where the boat's equipment and the canal water filtration system are stored. As you can see, the deck paint appears recent with no sign of rust. Here we have a spacious removable wheelhouse with a 360-degree view, which greatly facilitates navigation. These two stainless steel davits allow for the installation of an ice tender. Lastly, these four large solar panels installed in 2019 allow for battery recharging without the need to be connected to shore power. If you're interested in this 22 meters Dutch barge Luxemotor style, please do not hesitate to contact me, Robin from Boatshed Canals. I look forward to hearing from you.